Welcome to the Mastery Stone. Today, we're diving into the rich and fascinating history of Thailand, all in just 3 minutes. Thailand's history dates back to ancient civilizations. The earliest evidence of human habitation is from the Paleolithic period, over 20,000 years ago. Fast forward to the 13th century, the first Thai kingdom, Sukhothai, was established. Known for its cultural development and Buddhism's influence, Sukhothai is considered the dawn of Thai history. In the 14th century, the Ayutthaya kingdom rose to power, becoming one of the most prosperous and cosmopolitan cities in Asia. It thrived for over 400 years before being destroyed by the Burmese in 1767. After the fall of Ayutthaya, General Taksin established the Thonburi Kingdom, which was short-lived but significant for reuniting the Thai territories. In 1782, King Rama I founded the Chakri dynasty, which continues to rule Thailand today. He moved the capital to Bangkok, initiating a period of modernization and cultural renaissance. Unlike many Southeast Asian countries, Thailand remained independent during the colonial era by skillfully navigating international relations. King Rama V played a crucial role in modernizing the country. During World War II, Thailand was occupied by Japanese forces but managed to avoid colonization. Post-war, the country experienced rapid economic growth and political changes. The latter half of the 20th century saw Thailand transform into an economic powerhouse, only to face a major financial crisis in 1997. The country has since recovered and continues to develop. Today, Thailand is known for its vibrant culture, tourism, and resilient economy. The monarchy remains a revered institution, and the country continues to balance tradition and modernization. From ancient civilizations to modern developments, Thailand's history is a testament to its resilience and rich cultural heritage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Mastery Stone for more fascinating history videos.